It's your boy Keenan right here. Keenan just felt like cooking. I'm up in here in this laundromat knocking out some laundry with my wife. But in the meantime, in between the clothes is washing, check out what I whip up. Another snackages. So what I got going here is just some broken up yellow corn tortillas. Just crumbled them up with my hand. I'm gonna whip together something up real quick. For those who are fluid in Ebonics, you know what that means. But I'm going to put something together real quick for the family. It's Sunday morning. Time change has thrown everybody off. I mean, we're thinking it's like 11 going on 12 and it's only 10 o'clock. So, watch what I do with this. So I removed these bad boys from the skillet. As you can see, got them setting off to the side, cooling off a little bit. Nice and crispy. Got them nice and dehydrated. A little crunch to them, a little chew. These are pretty good. So now, watch what we get in the skillet. So what we putting in this skillet is like a half a pack of chorizo. So that may not look as pleasant, but trust me, it's good. So I got the fire off because it was pretty high cooking the tortillas. But the fire's off because the skillet is hot enough. And then I'm going to turn it back on once I get some moisture in it. So I'm going to cook this down a little bit. I'm going to add my huevos. We're going to add that back into it. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. So I got about, what's this, 6 eggs here. I'm going to go ahead and scramble up. Real quick, we're going to get these eggs scrambled. And then we'll get them added into our chorizo mixture. So I'm actually doing pretty good with one hand. So we're going to go ahead and get this going. So now I've broken all rules to chorizo. I added about 2 tablespoons of butter in with my mixture. That's because the pot was, the skillet was hot. And I add the butter because I'm adding eggs into it. And that's just how I like to do it. So it doesn't hurt. I mean, it's not going to alter the taste. You're still going to taste nice chorizo, all the seasonings and all that up in there. So, yeah. Here go the huevos. Oh yeah. See? And then we throw that in there. Some stuff. Oh yeah. So we're gonna get this mixed up so we don't make one big omelet. And back in a minute. So the key to this is to keep it moving. You want to keep it moving all the way around. Then your eggs start cooking together. And then everything comes together as one big nice bowl of happiness. You can add some more oil or butter or whatever you want. I'm good right here. So I'm going to keep this going and let you check out the finished product. Alright, so there it is. Quick little snackages we whipped up. Corn tortillas, chorizo, eggs, topped with a little mozzarella. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. Looking real good. You know, some would say this is like a version of a Chila, which is my favorite thing to eat. And I'm about to enjoy this. Let's plate something up. Alright. So I got some in a bowl. As you can see. With the cheese right there. That's good. So let's try this out. Oh yeah, that's a good little chunk right there. Got the cheese, chorizo, eggs, and corn tortillas. Oh yeah, that's on point. It's your boy Keenan. Whooping up another snackages for the family. Check me out on YouTube. Kingdom Just Felt Like Cooking. Don't forget to like and subscribe. One.